Namaste, good morning. I am Dr. Stuti Parde. I am a naturopath and a mental health practitioner. मैं डॉक्टर स्तुति पारदे हूँ. मैं एक नेचुरोपैथ और एक मेंटल हेल्थ प्रैक्टिशनर हूँ and I live at Jaipur. I've been living here for 11 years and this introduction is for those who do not know me and that you are coming first time on my channel, so welcome on my channel. It's always a joy to connect. मुझे हमेशा खुशी होती है कि मैं आपसे कनेक्ट कर पाती हूँ और अभी क्योंकि एक कंसिस्टेंसी मैंने बना रखी है. आई एम जस्ट होपिंग टू कीप दैट कंसिस्टेंसी. Before we start, okay, so I just wanted to, I just realized that, I needed to say this before I even present an intuitive message. So, these intuitive messages are irrespective of what your faith come from, or from what faith you come from. तो ये जो इंट्यूटिव मैसेजेस है ये बिल्कुल रिस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं है कि कोई विश्वास के साथ विश्वास जो भी आपका हो, जो भी श्रद्धा हो, तो इसको रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए मैं इंट्यूटिव मैसेजेस एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ. सो दिस इंट्यूटिव मैसेजेस द ऑब्जेक्टिव एज आई said in my first video is to motivate you, is to encourage you, is to help you grow in your life, is to help you be have the faith about living this life. And so these intuitive messages are more or less to give you that kind of direction. एंड एज आई सेड कि हर एक के साथ ये रेजोनेट शायद ही हो पाएंगे, बट यहाँ पे आप बिल्कुल अंडरस्टैंड करिए कि ये जो हम इंट्यूटिव मैसेजेस प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं ये सिर्फ आपको हेल्प करने के लिए. सो आई होप, बिकॉज आई रीड फ्रॉम द डेली ब्रेड doesn't mean that I am promoting any kind of faith over here. मैं कोई प्रमोशन नहीं कर रही हूँ किसी विश्वास जाति का या बट ये इसमें से मुझे हमेशा अच्छे मैसेजेस आते हैं और वो मैं सिंप्लीफाई करके आप तक पहुँचाती हूँ. सो आई होप कि आप इनको पॉजिटिवली लें और मन में ऐसे कोई विचार नहीं लाए. डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट दिस इंट्यूटिव मैसेजेस. It's not promoting any kind of faith here or promoting any religion here. It is to help you. So that's all I wanted to say. So as it is 20th of July and so for today the message was it's about hands-on learning, yeah, imitation. The positive message is imitation. बाइबल के वचन के अनुसार it's like imitating Christ. So when it talks about imitating Christ, इसका मतलब है कि हम अपने जीवन में, है ना, हम अपने जीवन में as a human हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों को या temptations के we are actually around temptations. हमारा जीवन temptations के around है और बहुत बार एज ह्यूमन वी गिव इन टू द टेम्पटेशंस, ठीक है, और एज ह्यूमन हम उन टेम्पटेशंस को गिव इन करते हैं और ये जो टेम्पटेशंस होते हैं कई बार हमें दे क्रिएट डार्कनेस इन आवर लाइफ. सो बेसिकली द पॉजिटिव मैसेज ऑफ इमिटेटिंग इज डूइंग गुड, इमिटेटिंग लाइक जो भी आपका फेथ होगा एंड जो भी आपकी स्क्रिप्चर्स आपको सिखाते होंगे, जैसे बाइबल हमें सिखाता है इमिटेट क्राइस्ट मीन्स आप कोशिश करो कि टू लीव अ लाइफ विच इज़ सैंक्टिफाइड, विच इज़ प्योर, राइट. सो इससे क्या होता है कि व्हेन वी लीव अ सैंक्टिफाइड एंड प्योर लाइफ देन वी आर फ्री फ्रॉम द गिल्ट. नहीं तो वी ऑलवेज हैव द गिल्ट दैट वी हैव डन दिस थिंग रॉन्ग, वी हैव डन दैट थिंग रॉन्ग. सो द पॉजिटिव मैसेज हियर इज about your life, about the way you live your life, the ethics that you have for your life, जो ethics आपने बनाया है अपने life के लिए, और आप उन ethics को किस तरह से अपनी life के अंदर apply करते हो, practically जीते हो. So it's all about that. Living life ethically always helps us, always disciplines us, and we are self control. फिर हम self control रहते हैं. So self control is very important. So imitate to do something good, right? Follow something good so that your life can yield fruitful results, है ना? So that is basically the bottom line of the message. और आज हम देखते हैं कि what are the what are the positive messages जो God like divine wants to give us. So let's see today what kind of message we get. All right, I'm going to shuffle and I'm going to pick one card. Let's see, randomly I'm going to pick the card and that is going to be a general message. So मैं randomly एक card pick करूँगी और वही general message होगा सबके लिए. And अगर आपके साथ वो resonate होता है well and good, अगर नहीं भी होता है it's good either ways. All right, so wow, so the card that I have received over here is abundance. Abundance, okay. So ये उल्टा ही दिखता है. I don't know how to get it right. So anyways, abundance. Abundance is all about the blessings flowing through, like कल के मैसेज में मैंने कहा, right? So when we have God with us, तो blessings automatically flow करते हैं. Today is abundance. So abundance आपके life में आ रहा है और बहुत ही रूप से आ रहा है. Like your life is going to be abundant, and so expect your life to be abundant. Be thankful. I always say out the affirmations. आप affirmations बोलो कि I am abundant. I am living an abundant life. So in all the areas of your life, चाहे वो spiritual हो, personal हो, career wise हो, all materialistically and spiritually, abundance is coming. It's on its way. And the supporting card, let's see what is the supporting card. And this is fun, because whenever someone tells me, or when I hear some messages on YouTube, and I'm always looking forward to hearing something very positive, because positive messages program our mind, and they are actually a stepping stone for us because they keep us positive. So new beginnings. All right, I think I don't know. So new beginnings, this card, it's so, I think yesterday or day before, I don't know, again this card has come. So there is a new beginning in your life expected to come in your life. It could be a new concept, an idea, or a path. So something new is going to come in your life, and with a higher perspective. So जो अभी आने वाला है आपके लाइफ में, it is going to add on value to your life. So आपके लाइफ में वो add करेगा value को. So this is amazing. So new beginnings coming your way. And one more, there is one more, let's see. So abundance, new beginnings, I think this is amazing. These are positive messages. I guess that we can use these messages. We can act according to the messages that we receive, because that's very important. Action plays a very huge role in fulfilling what is planned for us and our life. So let's see. Okay, the sun. This is amazing. The sun means, sun is a shining star, and sun brings a lot of brightness. Okay, can we imagine this earth without sun? I don't think so. So when this card appears, it means that life is going to be bright and life is going to be prosperous. So this is beautiful. So with the positive message of learning, imitating to doing good, we have abundance, we have new beginnings, and we have the sun. So I hope कि जो भी message आज आया है, positive cards message, I hope you can take it back with you. I hope that these messages incline you positively to do something positive, action, sow the seeds of positivity, and then you will reap the rewards, right? So I hope that whatever message you're been presented today, I hope you take it positively and stay positive, because I think it's all about the programming of mind. It's all about programming your mind to yield results. It's all about seeing yourself being abundant, seeing yourself with a new beginning, and seeing yourself, your life getting brighter and brighter every day. So anyways, take care. God bless you all, and I hope this message has enlightened you and bless you in every way. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye bye for now.